ask away. Hard marching, baby land.
Well, why are you under this tree?
Well, because it's the only shade tree, one of the only shade trees left in Kekaha. There used to be a couple more of these around the park here, but if you look on that side, it's all blank and it's nice and hot here. I don't understand why people would want to cut down trees when trees give off all the oxygen we need to breathe. You know, it's kind of sad they cut down the trees over here because you said the homeless were congregating under the trees. But everybody else is under the trees. Anybody would go under a tree and get caught because it's so hot. But to cut down this tree was, to me, was a sin for anybody to cut down these trees. Why? Because we as Hawaiians admire and love this tree. This tree is the hau tree and the kinolau of the mother goddess, Haumea, who was the mother goddess of Pele and Hiak and all those other deities. But the first hawbush tree, according to another legend, was created on the island of Kauai in the Wailua area. That area is called Kauai Hau, and that means the waters of the hawbush. Here in Keka, hawbush is really, really rare. These are a couple of the last specimens in Kekaha. If you're on the east side, it's not endangered, but in this area, we don't have that much hawbush. Hawbush is used for all kinds of stuff, such as medicines, making lace, making cordage, rope, making clothing. Yeah.
Who are the homeless? Why don't they want to let them be here?
Well, I'm not sure who are the homeless. I'm a homeless myself. You know, how would you say? So I guess they were trying to take it away from me. You know, when they did it, I just don't understand why people want to take away from people who got nothing. You know, we have nothing, and people want to take away nothing from nothing. I don't understand. You know, but to me, it's a sin to cut down these trees anymore. I mean, during the hurricane, this park used to be full of trees. In fact, this whole park was a forest at one time. Throughout, it was a forest, and throughout the whole forest area, there was corrals where people kept their horses in this area. It was kind of spooky and scared at night, but now you can see it's a beautiful park. There's 3 trees around here. But sadly, they've been systematically cutting down trees here in Keka when we need the shade, every shade that we can get. But like I said, this is the last piece of shade around this block that you can actually park your car under.
Do you know why they got rid of all the trees? It's a beautiful how.
Why did they get rid of the trees? I really don't understand. I heard somebody say that it was to deter the homeless from living under the trees.
Even in the park.
Even in the park, I don't understand. I understand there was nobody living in it. People, you know, what's wrong with hanging under a tree all day? I don't think there's nothing wrong. It's a public area, public park, whether it's people that have houses or people that don't. It shouldn't matter, you know. But even more so, if somebody has nothing, why not let them have something? Shade, that's all.
Yeah, and one of your biggest challenges is your health, right? That's like probably the major reason why that it's hard for you to afford housing. I mean, housing anymore is like about $1,500 a month for the simplest place.
Yeah. It's way out of my league when it comes to that, you know. I live on a fixed income. I'm on disability, but I'm living on a fixed income. There's no place that I can afford, and the truth is, I really don't want to go into the housing like that. I believe that we should have a healthy, what you call that, you know, a healthy, what you call, well, you know, alternative, a healthy alternative to regular housing. There are those of us who are raised out in nature, and it would be nice to just be able to be in nature, you know, and not have to be in a $1 million home or whatever. $1 million homes are beautiful. I love it, but as far as I'm concerned, you know, I'm happy to be just under a tarp. I'm under a tarp.
Rather have a house than $1 million.
Well, thank you.
Yeah.